Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Daisy Courtney, and today I'm here to do a what's in my bag. I remember growing up and be like, I can't wait till I get older so I can do what's in my bag, and now that time has came. This is my purse currently. I have bag charms. I made this bag charm on it, and then these are two that I bought, but these I made this one here. These are my favorite videos growing up. I could watch these videos for hours and hours and hours. I love these videos. So nosy, but I love them. So I'm gonna do mine now. This is my purse, and like having a big purse just makes me feel so grown. Like, what's up? Like, you got your big purse and you're just you know, taking it, honey. But yes, so I'm gonna go through what's in my bag. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name. And yeah, we about to get into it right now. So this is my purse. It's just like this blue like bowling bag look shape. So cute. These are the bag charms. This is, I want to say this is Jasmine. And then I have some bag charms. I have this one from Michaels. The brass doll comes from Target. This is from Amazon. I got this with a phone case. And then these two, I got these, I think I got these thrifting. So yeah. So those are my bag charms. And this is the little bow that comes on the box. I will be doing a video of me making bag charms, so stay tuned for that. But that's what it looks like on the inside. So we about to go through it. I'm sweaty. I need to put a fan in here. But first thing first, I have a headscarf because I like to lay my edges, my baby hairs down. So I just have a headscarf in there because, you know, it's this weather where your edges swell up, you start getting sweaty. I'm greasy right now because I have shea butter on my face, but yeah. Next thing I have is a hairbrush. My mom gave me this, a hairbrush. The next thing I have is my On The Go makeup kit. I do have this video up on my channel, so go check this out. You guys can see all the contents of what's inside of here. I did a whole video on this, but this is what it looks like. It just has all my makeup. It has mascara, makeup remover wipes, powder, foundation, all that stuff in here. It's just this Bloomingdale's City makeup bag. I think it's like $15, but yeah. Go watch that video on this. The next thing I have in my bag is a necessity. It's this T. N. Dickinson Witch Hazel Soothing Cleansing Cloth. I'm a person that my eyes, after a certain time, they'll get really dry and my face will just get really greasy and I feel like sweaty. So I need to wipe my face off, my eyes, wipe around my face. Bring some rejuvenation back to my skin, especially when it's hot outside. My eyes will get real dry, I'll get sweaty, sweat be in my eyes. So I be needing this. So it's just some witch hazel wipes just to wipe my face down and cool it down and keep it fresh and clean. So yeah, some witch hazel wipes. The next thing I have is a makeup bag. So the makeup bag is by Juicy Couture. That's what it looks like. Juicy Couture makeup bag. And inside I have a Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing wash, because like I said, my face can get really greasy and oily and my eyes, so I have to wash my face and like throw some cold water and wash my face and my skin off because my skin will get real greasy and ugly. So yeah, I need this, a little Cetaphil, wash my face if I'm outside. I have this deodorant. I have this Teen Spirit just because it's small, but it's hot. You need some type of deodorant on you, so I just have this Teen Spirit. I also have a Dove that I'm probably gonna put in my bag because that's better. The next thing I have is this 1000 Wishes. I have this body mist, the nice little mini one. This one smells so good. And then I have the matching hand lotion because you need lotion at all times. You don't want to be dry. And then I also have this antibacterial hand wipes. So if I ever need to wipe my hands off or wipe a surface off, so I have these. These are by Miss Germ Safe. So yeah. So that's all that's inside of here. Now I have two side pockets. These are the side pockets. Here's one and here's two. So in the side pocket I have two things. I have this lip gloss from the beauty supply store. I love this. I have this lip gloss. It's the Strawberry Broadway Vita lip gloss. Love this color. And then I also have a hand sanitizer by Smart Care. It's the Sweet Pea hand sanitizer. I got them at checkout in Burlington. So it's just like the spray hand sanitizer. You just spray your hand. It smells so good. It really smells like sweet pea. So yes, love this. And it's pink. It's my favorite color. So yeah. So next pocket, I have a mirror. So I have this Hello Kitty mirror. It's the matte version. They have matte and glossy. This is the matte version. This is pink, baby pink Hello Kitty mirror. It's like this. Turn the light on. So yeah, just look at your face, look at your edges. They have the 2x magnify side too, so you can really see your face. So got a mirror. Next thing that's in my bag is it's a notepad, and it is a pen. I have this rose pen. It's pink, which is my favorite color. My mommy gave this to me, and then she also gave me this notepad. So if I'm ever outside and I need to write some notes down or something. And then I have this word search. It's On the Road to Word Finds. I like to have stuff like this in my bag because I've been trying to limit like my social media use and my phone use. So I like to have stuff like that, like stuff like this, like little word searches and stuff. So just a word search, stuff like that, or like crossword puzzles or something, so that I can have something to do while I'm outside and I'm not just on the phone. The next thing I have is this Hubba Bubba bubble tape case on, but it's my AirPods. They're probably filthy, but I have some of my AirPods. These are my AirPods Pros or my AirPods 4s, one of the two. I have both of them, but this is what it looks like. This is my AirPods. I got the case off of Amazon. So cute. So yeah. The thing I have is some sunglasses. These some black sunglasses. So cute. I think these are from like Shein or Amazon or something. But yeah, it's been sunny and then rainy, so I got me some black sunglasses. Can't go wrong with that. It's just simply wear black glasses. We need those at all times. The next thing I have is essential. It's an umbrella. I think this is from like Five Below. It's just this Hello Kitty umbrella because I guess I'm living in Seattle because it rains. Like it looks like it's about to rain right now. It's sunny and then it's raining, and then it's sunny and then it's raining. You just don't know what to do. Like you don't know what to do. So I got me an umbrella. Just a little compact umbrella. Like I said, I got it from Five Below. It's a 7-inch umbrella. Nice and cute. So if I'm ever outside and it just starts pouring down rain, your girl got an umbrella. Next thing I have is a lip product. It is this Blistex DCT lip moisturizer. I love this. So yeah, it's just this you know, lip care, some Blistex, because you don't want your lips to be dry. You don't want your skin dry, lips dry, and you don't want to be musty at any time, but especially not during the damn summertime. So I got all that stuff in here. The next thing I have in my purse is also some dental floss. It is the multi-protection floss and clean mint. I got me a little dental floss. So yeah, you gotta keep you a dental floss on you. You never want to be outside and have stuff all stuck in your teeth, so dental floss. The next thing I have is some entertainment. It is called Uno Go. My mom got me this for like Christmas. It was like a stocking stuffer. It's Uno Go. It's like mini Uno. It's not even open yet, but it's just like this little mini Uno card set. So yeah. Last but not least is my little wallet. It's my little wristlet. I usually just have it just in case if I don't want to carry my whole bag. I just will grab this, and it has like my ID. It has my debit card, my credit cards in here. So it's just a little wallet, and it just has everything in here. It has all my cards. It got an old receipt. It got a chapstick in here, but I just put it on because my cards, my debit, my credit cards, all that stuff. So if I ever just don't feel like carrying the bag, I just put this on my wristlet. Well, put on my wristlet. I just put it on my wrist. Put it on my wrist, and then I just wear it like that. So this is nice and convenient. So yeah, I got this, and it's Hello Kitty, and I got it from Forever 21 before it went out of business. So yeah, it's just this. And then it has like this little front pocket. You can put something in here, but that's it. That's all. Oh no, it's not. I have another pocket. I have this pocket here. Let's see, this little pocket right here, and inside this pocket I have a phone charger. It's just this pink charger. I got this off Amazon as well. It's pink, which is my favorite color, but yeah, I just got this pink long charger. That's that. So I just have my charger in that pocket. That's all the stuff that was in my purse. It's real big. So yeah, those are the things that I carry on me. I'm probably gonna put a fan in here because it's hot, so if I'm ever outside I'll just have a fan. But yeah, So what's in my purse, guys? This is my bag. This is navy blue purse, but yeah. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I didn't keep you too long because I don't want to ramble and be running my mouth a lot. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for being here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.